Welcome back to another Bargain Savage video, and today I have for you these 5D earbuds off Wish. They were $2.85 plus $3 shipping for a total of $5.85. I was so impressed with the last Wish earbuds that I decided to order another set that's different. Like I said, these are the 5D. On here it just says accessories. Down here in the corner it says best and original high quality. On the back, accessories. There is no best, only better products. Enjoy the best quality. There is no best, only better products. Enjoy the best quality. Shouldn't it say enjoy the better quality? Meh, whatever. There it is. Made in China. Comes in a resealable package, but when I cut the original shipping package, I almost cut the earbuds, so apparently we got to be more careful when we do that. Looks like it's got a braided with some kind of plastic coating over top of the cable. It's got a volume adjustment on it and a call button. Looks like it comes with 2 extra ear caps. The ones that are on here are gray. These ones are black. The black ones are a little bit smaller. TRRS 3.5mm jack. This will be part of a series called Cheap Earbuds Extravaganza. This video will be part 3-6. Fairly long cable. No, this rubber coating on here doesn't feel like it would tangle bad. Actually kind of neat. Feels weird too. You can zoom in on that. All right. Now, whoa, these are kind of cool. They're transparent. It's got this little goldish color cap on the end here. Hard to see the transparency. You can actually see the driver inside there. Single driver. Alright. Been down this road before. I'm just gonna pop the bigger ones off. Whoa, that went on there easy. But it's also gonna come off easy as well. You know what? I wouldn't be surprised if that sticks in my ear. These other ones definitely fit on there better. Yeah, these ones, the smaller caps definitely don't stay on as nice. I hope they don't get stuck in my ears. Okay, we'll try it out anyway. Are they marked? Don't see any indication of left or right. I'll try them, just see which way they fit better. Don't feel bad like that. Alright, let's see how they sound. Okay, please don't get stuck in my ears. Hey, they both came out. Bonus. I was really worried about that. Okay, first impressions of these. is they're fairly comfortable. I am worried about the caps getting stuck in my ear though, for sure. I think if you were going to use these, I would maybe put a little dab of glue on the caps so that they definitely stay in place. They're just a little bit too loose, unless you can use these gray ones. The gray ones definitely stay on better, a little more firm. Now the music quality, there is pretty good separation in the music. These definitely were better sounding than any of the Dollar Tree or Dollarama headphones, except for the one pair of Dollarama headphones, or earbuds I should say. The headphones at Dollarama are not very good, but they were lacking bass. Now I thought these were going to have a fairly good bass response. Not so much. The bass response on these is pretty poor, but they look cool. But because of the lack of bass, I'm not going to put these in a high rank. But for actual music separation, if you're not a big bass head, maybe these would be good for you. If you like a lot of bass, I don't think these will be good for you. The other Wish earbuds that were 6D, I think, they were a lot better than these for sound quality. I was having high expectations of these. The volume slider on here works, and I can see a little hole there. It's got a mic. We'll give it a mic test now. This is the sound of the microphone with the earbuds in my ears and hanging from my neck as you would wear and listen to the earbuds. And this is the sound of the microphone while I'm holding it approximately 6 inches from my face. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in ending conclusion, that these didn't actually take that long to get here. I was actually very surprised. I'm thinking like 3 weeks it probably took for them to get here from China, so it didn't take all that long. I mean, it's definitely longer than going down to a local store and buying a set. But if you're looking for a cheap set that doesn't have a lot of bass to them, these might be an option. Other than that, they're definitely not, they're not terrible. They're a win. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'll also put a playlist up here that has all of the videos in the series of the cheap earbuds extravaganza, so you can check that out. I'll put a link in the description to the other Wish earbuds for easy finding. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.